Something breaking was coming in. Indian government is weighing the option of bringing in Parliament an impeachment motion against Allahabad High Court Judge Yashwant Verma, who has been indicted by a Supreme Court appointed probe panel after the discovery of a huge sum of burnt cash from his official residence in the national capital. Sources in the government said an impeachment motion in Parliament, which meets next during the monsoon session, starting in the second half of July, is an obvious choice of Justice Verma, who was repatriated from Delhi High Court to Allahabad High Court after the unsavory incident, does not resign on his own. So these are some back-to-back updates coming in right now on Republic TV. And this is concerning Justice Verma. That is right, Justice Verma, the controversial judge, where we see the centre is likely to bring impeachment motion against Justice Yashwant Verma. Union government is weighing the option of bringing in Parliament an impeachment motion against Allahabad High Court Judge Yashwant Verma, who has been indicted by the Supreme Court appointed probe panel after the discovery of a huge sum of burnt cash from his official residence in the national capital. And this is coming in as an impeachment motion in Parliament, which there will be a discussion on this very soon. This is coming in, remember, as we saw that the then Chief Justice of India, Sanjeev Khanna, had written to the President and the Prime Minister recommending his impeachment, and CJI Khanna sent the letter after an in-house inquiry panel constituted by the top court indicted Verma, through its findings were not made public. Anil Tiwari, President Allahabad HCBA, is joining us right now on Republic TV. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Tiwari. We have seen many associations really fight against the transfer of Justice Verma in the past. Now the centre could be bringing impeachment motion against Justice Yashwant Verma. What is your first reaction to this development?
My first reaction is that our hope that is still judiciary will function in the right direction. And my hope that government will hear the voice of public, that hope is now, I can say that it is a fruitful step towards saving the public trust. Now, please look. I'm considering this as a victory of general public, as a victory of entire bar associations, high courts, not only Allahabad, rather it is voice of all the high courts of India. So it is a victory so far. A slight modification in my sentence, it's not a victory, rather it is a steps towards victory. अब मैं दूसरी बात भी कहना चाहूंगा कि आज की डेट में सवाल सिर्फ इम्पीचमेंट का नहीं है। मेरे तीन सवाल है। पहला सवाल है कि इम्पीचमेंट है, ये बहुत अच्छी बात है। मेरा दूसरा सवाल है कि रिपोर्ट को पब्लिश किया जाना चाहिए, जिससे आम जनता ये जान सके कि इसमें कौन कौन इन्वॉल्व है और रिपोर्ट के कंटेंट्स क्या हैं। ये हमारी राइट है, हमारा फंडामेंटल राइट है टू नो अबाउट एवरीथिंग, हाउ द फंक्शनिंग इज गोइंग ऑन। थर्ड, व्हाई नॉट एफआईआर एफआईआर आज तक क्यों नहीं लॉन्च हुई? My only request is that government should move forward, Supreme Court should move forward and grant the permission so that FIR be also lodged and he should be dealt with like a common citizen of India. ये होना चाहिए, बिल्कुल होना चाहिए। आज सरकार को मैं इस बात के लिए, सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जो पूर्व चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया थे, उन्होंने बहुत बोल्ड स्टेप लिया। उन्होंने वो स्टेप लिया जो एक्सपेक्टेड है फ्रॉम द जज, उन्होंने वो स्टेप लिया। Now I am giving thanks to the government of India also, that government of India has not delayed this function. Immediately this has been decided to move the impeachment process. It's a very step to welcome.
Yes. You know, Mr. Tiwari, Justice Verma has claimed innocence all this time. And we also know there was an inquiry which was conducted. But
I'm not saying that he's guilty. I'm not at all saying. Nobody is guilty upon lodging an FIR. Let the FIR be lodged. Let the matter be investigated, and let a report come that he is not guilty. We will have no objection at all. Why they are shy in lodging the FIR? Why they are shy?
Right.
I'm not saying that he is guilty, but he is not liable to hold the post of a judge. So impeachment motion is in the right direction, because it is not a case of guilty. Rather, it is a case of public trust. Judges are like Caesar's wife, above suspicion. Even the suspicion is sufficient to impeach them. I'm not saying he is guilty. But the investigation should go on and FIR should be lodged just to decipher as to whose cash was that. Who has removed that cash? How the cash come into the judge's compound? आप समझने की कोशिश करिएगा, हिंदुस्तान की जनता का विश्वास ही जुडिशरी की ताकत है. जिस दिन ये विश्वास हट गया उस दिन हिंदुस्तान कोलैप्स कर जाएगा, गिर जाएगा, दोबारा गुलाम हो जाएंगे हमारी लड़ाई जनता के विश्वास को बचाने की लड़ाई है, जिसके लिए नॉट ओनली अनिल तिवारी, पूरे हिंदुस्तान की अदालत हाईकोर्ट के 36 बार एसोसिएशन की आवाज है. हमने फेडरेशन बना लिया है. अब हम ये आवाज उठाते रहेंगे हर उस जज के खिलाफ जो करप्शन में इन्वॉल्व होगा.
Yes, Mr.
जनता का विश्वास बचे, बस इतनी कोशिश.
Yes, Mr. Tiwari, before I let you go, there was an in-house inquiry panel constituted by the top court, but the findings are not public. So you're saying that the findings should also become public right now? This is
Yes,
what you're
right
saying.
now. It should be
Yeah.
published immediately without a day, even for a single day.
Yes.
This is the only method to restore the public faith in judicial system.
Yes.
Judges are Caesar's wife, not God. भगवान नहीं है, खुदा नहीं है जजेस. ये सीजीआई ने चंद्रचूड़ साहब ने नेशनल जुडिशियल मीटिंग की कॉन्फ्रेंस में कहा था कि जजेस खुदा नहीं है. आज से 6 महीने पहले इलाहाबाद हाईकोर्ट बार ने रेजोल्यूशन पास किया था कि ये खुदा नहीं है, हम इन्हें माय लॉर्ड नहीं कहेंगे. ये सब क्यों हो रहा है? ये इसलिए हो रहा है क्योंकि ये खुदा की तरह न ट्रीट करें.
Right.
यशवंत वर्मा के केस में पब्लिक होनी चाहिए वो रिपोर्ट, जिससे कि जनता का विश्वास बढ़ सके. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने आज बहुत फेयर काम किया है. सुप्रीम कोर्ट सिस्टम ने जो इस रिपोर्ट को गवर्नमेंट को भेजा है, लेकिन मेरा मानना यह है कि ये रिपोर्ट पब्लिश इमीडिएटली होनी चाहिए और FIR भी इमीडिएटली लॉन्च होनी चाहिए.
All right. Okay. Thank you for joining us there, Mr. Anil Tiwari, President Allahabad HCBA, on this developing story. I'll be coming back to the story very soon. But for